The harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey in the world. It belongs to the eagle family and is native to the forest regions of Central and South America. The harpy eagle has attracted much attention due to its large size and unique features. This bird has a long, dense crown of feathers on its head, which is why it was given the name harpy. The harpy eagle lives in tropical rainforests, especially in Central and South America, from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. This eagle takes most of its prey from arboreal mammals such as monkeys, small deer, and birds. Due to their very strong flying and hunting abilities, they are able to pursue heavy and large prey. The harpy eagle usually lives alone and hunts and searches for food in its areas. This bird usually builds its nest in tall trees and uses this height to hunt from above.